Welcome to FAD tutorial. Let's make this camera design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. We go to the file, new, part, OK. Then select the front plane, sketch, then go to the center rectangle and draw a rectangle. Go to the smart dimension and dimension it 100 mm and this dimension is 50 mm. Go to the feature, extrude base and make it 30 and select the blind to mid plane and OK. Then select the top section, go to the sketch, draw a center rectangle again, select like this, mark it complete, go to the feature, extrude base 10 and merge result check to into uncheck. OK, then select this portion, go to the sketch, draw a center line, OK, and draw a circle, select the mid portion of this, OK, go to the smart dimension and make it 50 dia, OK, go to the feature and extrude base and make it 20 and merge result, OK. Then select the right plane, go to the sketch, select the line like this, okay. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 10 and this dimension is 15, okay, close, and go to the feature, extrude, make it 30 and go to the mid plane. Then select this portion, sketch, select the circle, smart dimension, that is 20 and distance from here to here is 15 and distance from here to here is 15, okay. Go to the feature, extrude, make it 5, okay. Select the sketch of this portion, select the center rectangle again, okay. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 10 and this dimension is 10, okay, and the distance from here to here is again 15 and distance from here to here is 15, okay. Go to the feature, extrude up to 5 again. So this is very basic camera design which we have done in SolidWorks. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot of tutorials from this channel. Thank you very much for watching.